Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something that might seem simple at first, buying glasses, but trust me, it's not just about picking a frame you like. Whether this is your very first pair or you've been wearing glasses for years, today's video is all about helping you choose glasses that look great, feel comfortable, and actually make your vision crystal clear. By the end, you'll know how to get the most accurate prescription, pick the right frames, choose lenses that suit your eyesight, and understand coatings and enhancements that make a real difference. Plus, I'll drop a few insider tips most people completely overlook when buying glasses. First things first, your prescription is everything. You can't order or wear new glasses without a current, valid prescription from an eye doctor. Even if your prescription hasn't technically expired, if it's been close to a year, it's worth getting your eyes checked again. Our vision changes gradually, and even small tweaks can drastically improve comfort and clarity. One pro tip: during the better one or better two part of your exam, try not to overthink it, and your doctor will double-check everything. Staying calm here actually makes a big difference in getting the right prescription. Once your prescription is ready, it's time to pick your frames, and this is where things get fun. Frames do more than just hold lenses. They define your style and influence comfort all day long. You can buy locally at an optical shop or clinic, or go online. For beginners, I usually recommend starting locally. Trying frames on in person is invaluable. You'll see exactly how they fit, how they feel, and how they look. Plus, professional opticians can guide you toward frames that complement your face shape and match your prescription, which is something online shopping can't fully replicate. When choosing frames, a few golden rules apply. Make sure the width is right. Frames that are too narrow or too wide won't sit correctly and may slide or pinch. If you have a flatter nose bridge or struggle with slipping glasses, consider metal or plastic frames with adjustable nose pads. They make a huge difference. And here's something many people don't realize. If you have a higher prescription, bigger lenses can create thick, heavy edges that distort vision. Smaller lenses help keep your glasses lighter and your vision less warped. Always choose a pair you love, because confidence and comfort go hand in hand. Snap a quick selfie or ask a friend's opinion if you're unsure. It's worth it to pick something you enjoy wearing every day.
Next up,
lenses. This is the heart of your glasses, the part that actually lets you see the world. Most people start with single vision lenses, which correct for either distance or reading. If you need bifocals or progressive lenses, that's a slightly different topic, but the principles are similar.
oh,
There are a few main lens options: standard plastic lenses, CR39, polycarbonate or Trivax, and high-index lenses. Standard plastic works fine for mild prescriptions. Polycarbonate and Trivax are stronger, impact-resistant, and slightly thinner, perfect for moderate prescriptions or active lifestyles. High-index lenses are thinner and lighter, ideal for stronger prescriptions, and they reduce distortion at the edges. As a general rule, the higher your prescription, the smaller and thinner your lenses should be for maximum comfort and clarity. Once you've got your frames and lenses sorted, coatings and enhancements are next. Anti-reflective AR coating is a must in my opinion. It reduces glare from screens, lights, and the sun, while making your glasses look clearer to others. Premium AR coatings often combine anti-scratch, anti-smudge, and UV protection, which makes them well worth the investment. Blue light lenses are trending, but research is mixed, so check with your eye doctor if these are suitable for you. Photochromic lenses, which darken outdoors and clear indoors, can also be convenient if you move between bright sunlight and indoor spaces a lot. Just know some people love them, and others don't. Finally, let's talk bonus tips most people overlook. Warranties on glasses can save you big money, especially if you're investing in higher-end frames. Scratches, breaks, or replacements often cost a fraction of buying a new pair. And always have your glasses professionally adjusted when you pick them up. Even a slight misalignment can affect comfort and vision. Proper adjustments ensure you're looking through the correct part of the lens and that your glasses sit comfortably on your face. Buying glasses isn't just a transaction, it's an experience. Take the time to experiment with frames, understand your lenses, and invest in quality coatings. With the right combination, you'll not only see better, but also love wearing your glasses every day. If this video helped you, Drop a comment and share what part of the glasses buying process you found most useful. And if you want even more tips on choosing frames and lenses, check out the video linked on your screen next. Trust me, it's packed with pro tips to help you pick your perfect pair.